Alright, good evening everybody. Welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna be talking about today we're gonna be talking about the next few days, which is gonna be pretty active. Actually, today, right now. Earlier there was a moderate risk for tornadoes. I think it was a bust today, because I watched a lot of people, Ryan Hall, Nate Snyder, David Slothatter, even the Storm Chasers, Vince, Reed, all of them. Yeah, so there was a 15% chance of significant tornadoes, and there were some pretty large tornadoes, but not as intense though. Definitely a damaging wind threat though today. But yeah, it's a very, very small moderate risk. And yeah. So that's it for that severe weather event today. It was pretty, there were a couple of tornadoes. There was one PDS tornado warning actually, which was kind of crazy because it went south of this town. I forgot what it's called, but somewhere in Oklahoma. Luckily, there wasn't as much damage, which is good. So yeah, that's one good news. Now tomorrow, I'm gonna show you the models for tomorrow. Tomorrow there's a slight risk, and I'm gonna show you why. Because there's a pretty decent area of severe weather tomorrow for Ohio, Kentucky, Indiana, West Virginia, and PA. So let's check that out. I do believe this will be upgraded to a 15% chance of hail, because these things look like hail makers. If you look at the models, I'm going to show you guys that in soon. Damaging wind, definitely there for damaging winds. Tornado threat is really low. It's not really up there. It's really, really low. So, yeah, chance of seeing a tornado is really low. So, yeah, don't worry about that. Actually, 2% chance, it's a 98% chance that you will not see a tornado, which is pretty low, like I said. So 2% chance, still 2% chance of a tornado. So yeah, do worry about that. There might be a isolated tornado warning or two. Maybe a very brief tornado tomorrow. Who knows? We'll find out. But here comes the juicy stuff. Now, look at this. Enhanced risk, day 3. This will be upgraded to a moderate risk, probably. Probably. I'm not 100%, but I do believe this will be upgraded to a moderate risk of severe weather because of the ingredients for it. It is, you have the cape, you have the shear, you have the dew points, you have the dry line, everything. You got the tornado ingredients, everything. All the ingredients for severe weather is there for this day, which is Wednesday, I'm pretty sure. Right, let me see. Yep, Wednesday. Because it's 2 days. Tomorrow's 2 days, so it's Wednesday. All the ingredients is there for severe weather outbreak, possibly. So yeah, they have to watch that very carefully. And we're gonna find out tomorrow what the risks are. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a 10% hatch risk probably. Definitely a 30% hail hatch risk. And wind risk probably 30% without a hatch. I don't know. I'm just guessing here. I'm not sure yet. We'll find out tomorrow, but yeah. They do need to watch that. We'll show that the model on the models too. And we have day 4. Day 4 is already enhanced. So yeah, and this is for Dixie Alley, Mississippi, Tennessee, the Blue Hill, Missouri, and all of eastern Arkansas, and central Arkansas too. I think Little Rock is in there, right? Yep, Little Rock is in that. So yeah, and there's a slight risk surrounding it. This probably will be upgraded to a moderate risk. Like I said, I'm not 100%. This could, go down or it can go up. I don't know. But I'm pretty sure it's going to go up because we're going to see, more of the ingredients, more of the activity for severe weather. So yeah, they're going to check on that. But yeah, that's, there's no day 6, there's no day 5, 6, or 7, I don't think. Not yet, at least. There probably will be, but not yet. But yeah, that's the SPC area. The wildfire risk is critical for right now. But yeah, we'll talk about that more in the next video. Now let's go to the models. Alright, here is the HRRR model, the high resolution rapid refresh model. Sorry, I had some in my throat. But yeah, as I was saying, yeah, high resolution rapid refresh model. So yeah, right now, like I said, there's severe weather happening. There's a big skull line going through Oklahoma and northern Texas. North part of Dallas, the Dallas area, the Metroplex is in a severe thunderstorm watch. I'm pretty sure, yeah. And Little Rock is in a tornado watch because of some supercells that might pop up later tonight. Now, I'm not 100% sure that they will produce tornadoes, but you know, it's good to watch. So that's why they put that tornado watch out there. You're gonna push this out. Actually, I don't see any supercells popping up, but a big score line is gonna move through. Big score line. Look at that. I can't speak. Damaging winds is the main threat here. It's taking over the tornado. The tornado threat went down significantly. Like I said, it was a bust today. It wasn't really like insane, like, which was good. We don't want any insane tornadoes. I don't know. Everybody's probably heard of the Andover, Kansas EF3. That was insane. Yeah, very photogenic tornado and very intense and devastating tornado. So yeah, you don't like to see that. But yeah, let me show you guys why. Let me show you. Let's go to the risks tomorrow. Day 2 categorical outlook. Yep, look at that. So we're gonna fast forward, right? This is, let's see. 8 a.m. in the morning. You see, there's just rain showers and all that. You know, rain showers, right? Moves on. Then we go to 1 p.m. Daylight heating moving in. Boom. Look at that. Supercells possibly popping up, dropping some decent sized hail. And let's look at the dew points. Dew points are definitely there. Almost in the 70s. Wow. Look at that. Almost in the 70s for dew points. And you're dang right, the temperatures will be right for this area. Look at that, 80 degrees. Look at that, 80 degrees for the whole, like, mountainous areas. Or near the mountainous areas, the Ohio Valley in general. Now, look at the 850 millibar winds. 30 to 40 knots. So that's average. That's not, pretty... That's not pretty good, level winds. Actually, there's 50 knots up here in northern Ohio, but where the supercells are popping up at, 30 to 40 knots. So, I don't think, like I said, I don't think there's going to be a huge tornado threat tomorrow, but there is a chance for severe weather. So, let's look at the supercell composite. Supercell composite will be pretty high, actually. Let's see this. Yeah, it will be decently high. Well, let me see. I almost said decently high. That's not really. Actually no. I just saw a 5.8. No, I just saw the 8 point. What was that? 8.9. That's almost a 9. They are a little bit up there, but like I said, it's not insane. Significant tornado parameter. It's actually a 2 up here. I think I saw a 2.5. It's near Columbus, Ohio. Excuse me, sorry. Yeah, I saw 2.5 near Columbus, Ohio, so we do need to watch that. But yeah, let's go back to the precipitation type. And boom, see how these storms blows up? Like, look at that. Look at this gnarly storm right here. Now, I'm gonna say this right now. Do not take this off this is a future model. This is not what the radar will actually look like in the future. Okay? So, yeah, just that's one thing, that this will not look exactly like how it is right now. Like tomorrow, it's gonna change. The models are gonna change. The storms are gonna pop up in different spots. Like it's not gonna pop up in the exact spot the models are saying. It's just giving you an idea of where the storms are gonna pop up at. That's why they issue these slight risks and marginal and enhanced, moderate, sometimes highs. That's why they do all that. They know where the storms is going to pop up at. They don't know exactly where, but they know what area. So that's why they put the risk area That's why I don't put certain areas under, you know, high risk, because, like, it would make no sense. Like, if you just put, like, say, like, right here, if you see, like, a storm, like, that pops out, like, you see it's marginal, they're not just gonna put, like, a slight risk right there just for that area because a storm pops up. No, they're not gonna do that. I know it sounds confusing. I think I'm making it confusing, but, like, I'm trying to, like, what I'm trying to say is that they know it's not exactly like the what the radar or what the models are showing right now is not going to be exactly the same. There will be storms tomorrow. Definitely will be storms, but where do they pop up? That's the question. We don't know yet. We're gonna find out tomorrow. But yeah. So let's move on to the NAM 3K. Right. I'm gonna play this out. Like I said, you're gonna have this big giant line of storms. Oh my goodness. Please get out of my way. We have this big giant line of storms that's gonna move through. And boom, you got tomorrow. Tomorrow and there's severe weather. Then this is Wednesday. Oh, you cannot see Wednesday. Dang it, yep, 0Z is not 100% yet. Wednesday, there's going to be a significant severe weather event, I'm pretty sure, in this area. And tomorrow is actually May 3rd. So it is about to be the anniversary of the Bridge Creek Moor, I'm pretty sure. Or no, I'm just saying the Moor 1999 F5, I'm pretty sure. Or was it EF5? I don't remember. I think it was an F5 because it's still in the 1990s. So I don't know when EF was official. It was sometime in the 2000s probably. But yeah, tomorrow is the anniversary of I'm just saying the Moor F5. So yeah, that's crazy. It's like what, it's been 2 decades? Yeah. 2 decades, yeah. No. I'm tripping. It hasn't been 2 decades. No, wait, 10 years. Okay, yeah, it has been 2 decades, I'm pretty sure. I'm sorry, I'm just I'm tweaking here, but 18Z is full. So here's the next pattern. Sorry. I need some water. Here's the next pattern for the next 384 hours, I'm pretty sure. We're going to have that big storm system move by. They're going to have a new storm system that's going to do its thing, move by. Probably bring some rain showers over to my area. Then it's going to be quiet for a second. Then, boom, look at that. More severe weather from northern Iowa all the way down to northern Texas, it looks like. And then I think more severe weather is going to happen over that area. Maybe some severe weather on the East Coast. Then, yeah, another storm system moves by. And that's what it's showing for the next 384 hours. No. Let's look at the, where is it? The, Euro. But the Euro doesn't show the, precipitation. It shows like 240 something hours, I'm pretty sure. I'm gonna show you the temperatures. It's gonna be, I'm gonna just give you like where it's gonna be the warmest, where it's gonna be the coldest. So yeah, let that load. So by watching this, zoom out. Oh wow, look at that ridge. Okay, so at some point there will be a huge, look at that, huge ridge. And it's just going to be, it's going to feel like spring and summer, pretty much, for all these areas where I circled. Inside of the ridge that I made right here, it's inside of that, it's just going to be super warm. Wow. I can't wait for these warm temperatures. Look at that. It's going to be hot on the East Coast. Well, no, I don't say hot, but like pretty warm. Like, look at that. That is 90 degrees in Louisiana, almost 90 degrees in Mississippi, Alabama. It's going to be 70s where I'm at. PA, even Maine. Look at Maine. Northern Maine, 73. Northern Maine. Incredible. 90s in Texas and Oklahoma, 80s in Kansas, all of Missouri, Illinois, Indiana, Wisconsin, Iowa, Minnesota, even the Dakotas, even Winnipeg. Look at that. Winnipeg is going to be either in the 80s or 70s. That is insane. That's how you know summer is coming. Look at that. Toronto 70, Quebec 73. Wow. It is going to be unseasonably warm for this time right now. It, like, up here is supposed to be around like the 60s, 70s. It's gonna be in the 80s. Wow. Look at that, 80s for a lot of the US. And you see that's, what's this, 8 a.m. Yep. So it is going to be really warm and hot, I should say. And let's look at the precipitation totals too. Let's see where the most moisture is going to drop at. And wow, look at that. Jesus. Look at that. That's like 10 inches of rain right there. All right, for my area, not really that much rain. For Ohio, Indiana, the Ohio Valley in general, it's going to be a lot of rain. Of course, there's going to be tons of rain over here because this is where all the precipitation is, where all the storms, this is where all the severe weather is happening and all that. And then there's zero precipitation happening over here in New Mexico and Arizona, which is very bad. They need it very badly. I really wish I could just take this. You see this precipitation right here? Just throw it up there in New Mexico and Arizona so they can just get the precipitation, because it is insanely dry. There's a lot of wildfires burning, and it's just not good. So I just really want to help them. Like, seriously. Like, I pray for those people over there with the wildfires. It's really bad. But, yeah, so far the precipitation's looking a little, from, I would say, this area points east, it's going to be some precipitation falling, a lot of it. Some of it over here, yeah, most of this is going to be snow in a Pacific Northwest. Same as over here, it's going to be snow. U2, Colorado, it's going to be snow and all that. Maybe some rain. Actually, no, maybe some showers and thunderstorms, like Denver. You might see some showers and thunderstorms. But yeah, like, it is going to be pretty warm for this area right here. It's going to be pretty warm and kind of hot down here in the deep south and southeast and all that. Maybe even the mid-Atlantic, maybe even the northeast. Could be pretty hot. Same with out here. They might be pretty hot too. I seen the 80s up there. So yeah, it's going to warm up. June is coming. Summer is coming. Okay, it's going to warm up. Okay, the winter seasons is going to be gone. So yeah, that's the good thing. But I'm going to end this video here. Thank you guys for watching. I know I haven't uploaded in like a little bit, and that's what I'm going to start doing again. I'm going to start uploading every day now. That's if I can. If I can't, then I won't be able to, but I will make up for it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.